Hello there. I bet you finished building your computer, right? A brand new motherboard, brand new case, brand new memories, or perhaps you recycled them and you have a brand new motherboard, and now it's time to install Windows 11 on your computer. Stay tuned, I'm going to show you how to do that. My name is Captain Darren and my amateur radio call sign is N4VFR. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make that bootable Windows 11 thumb drive right here.
Welcome to my computer. In the next few steps, you need to have another computer, whether it be another working PC,
thumb drive to boot. Sometimes you might have to go to your BIOS and change your boot to start up with the USB drive. So there it is. That's the boot disk, or the boot USB bootable Windows install. Here's a closer look. So that's it. Just follow the steps to install your new Windows 11 to your PC. I hope you were able to get Windows 11 installed in your computer. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribe. Leave me a like and a comment. My name is Captain Darren. My amateur radio call sign is N4VFR. Until next videos, 73s, and have a great day.